Hi, everybody. Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how implant dentistry is going to be done very differently in the future. In the next 10 years, robots are going to take over a big majority of the healthcare space. And one of the things we're doing at Teeth+Robots is helping patients get this procedure done with full arch dentistry for a lot lower cost, utilizing these new technologies that are out in the marketplace. So I want to walk you through and show you exactly how we do that here at Teeth+Robots. Let me share my screen real quick. So with Teeth+Robots, we use AI, we use the Yomi robot, we use all of this technology to help drive down costs, giving you a better implant that no human can do. There's no human on the planet that can place an implant as precisely as a robot can. And this is all powered by cutting edge technology, and it is the future of dental care. So we're going to change implant dentistry forever. The next thing that I want to talk to you about is that we can get all of this done in one single day. So you come in, you get your teeth extracted, we put implants in on the same day, we do your bone grafting, we do everything for the surgery on day one, and then you come back the following day and we give you permanent teeth. This allows us to give you something that's incredibly amazing and a cut above most dental practices that are doing this procedure. Not only do you get the most precise implants on the planet, but you also get the best teeth product just one day after your surgery. So let me introduce you to the Yomi. This is the only FDA-cleared robotic dental implant device on the market. It's 10 times more accurate than people that are doing freehand implant dentistry. It's more accurate than guides. It's more accurate than navigation. It's the most accurate dental implant on the planet. But the best part is that Yomi also has 3D X-ray vision. So basically it can see through the soft tissue into the bone, automatically placing the perfect implant every time. What does that mean for you? Well, it means that the doctor can do less cutting on your gums, less bone reduction sometimes, and a lot less invasive surgical procedures, which means you heal almost 2 times faster than a traditional implant surgery. Let's watch a quick video on how Yomi works.
Are you looking for the best way to get dental implants? Meet Yomi, a state-of-the-art robotic system that's more accurate than any other treatment offered today. That means your Yomi provider can bring back your smile precisely, quickly, and less invasively so you get optimal healing and the restorative outcome you deserve. In many cases, you can go from consult to a complete smile in the same day. Here's how Yomi works. First, your provider will review your case and take a quick CT scan of your mouth. Then, they will use this scan to create a detailed treatment plan in Yomi software. This streamlined digital workflow allows for same-day surgery in most cases. During the procedure, your doctor is always in control. Yomi simply prevents implants from going anywhere but precisely where the doctor planned it to go. The location, angle, and depth of each implant is managed in a way no other treatment type can come close to. More accurate than freehand, more accurate than guides, more accurate than navigation. Discover how Yomi and your provider can help get you back to sharing your beautiful smile with the world like nothing else can.
So if you want to compare the Yomi versus a human, it's pretty stark difference. With the robot, you have less than a 0.5 millimeter position or angulation deviation. So it gives you the perfect implant every single time. You can double your speed in terms of finishing the implant procedure, and it goes into the deep cortical bone to give you that strong hold that will last a lifetime. So let me tell you a little bit about cortical bone. So most people, when they place implants, they don't go up into this cortical bone area. You see this red area up here at the top. They don't typically go into that cortical bone. So when you see the layers of tissue, you have this soft tissue that's here at the top, that's your gums. Then you have soft bone, some of this area in here where it's like gray or black. This is all pretty soft bone. And then you have this really hard bone. It's like oak. It's up here in this cortical region. And when you get into that cortical region, the implant holds onto that area and gives you this primary stability that you need to put teeth on top of it. So a lot of doctors don't like to go up into that cortical region because up here there's, sinuses and things of that nature. They don't want to puncture those sinuses. But with the Yomi robot, you can go right into this cortical region very accurately and precisely without poking through or accidentally slipping and getting into that sinus. It gives you a lot more accuracy and a lot more precision because you know exactly where you're headed and you know exactly how to get there. So the Yomi gives you a lot more power in terms of where you can place those implants accurately so that you don't make any mistakes. So here's what the robotic precision looks like. Now, when a doctor goes in and they start putting an implant into the bone, sometimes they'll wiggle their hands or they'll move around like this, and that creates an oval. And basically where that oval is, you know, you have this hole here and the implant goes in there and it's circular. So you have all this space in between. Now they can either put some bone graft around it or they can do some other things, but this is part of the reason why you don't have as much stability when you're working with freehand. But with the Yomi robot, it goes straight in and straight out of the bone, providing you a perfect circle into that implant area. So that means when you put that implant in, it's a circle going into a circle. So you don't have that oval shape, and it gives you bone all the way around the implant to give you complete osseointegration where the bone and the implant fuse together. So it's pretty amazing what it can do from that perspective. What does this mean for you? It means less invasive surgery. That means less cutting on your gums, less bone reduction potentially, reduced swelling for you, faster healing time. And the product at the end is a lot more accurate than any human. I don't care if the human has been doing this for 25 or 30 years. They're an oral surgeon, it doesn't matter. The Yomi will still place a more accurate implant than any human can. And the best part for you is that when you get a really good implant into those cortical bone areas, you get implants that will last you a really long time. And that's exactly what you want as a patient. You want to have the best implant that will last the rest of your life. And that's what we're doing here at Teeth+Robots. Look forward to seeing you again on the next video. Take care.